Hello, I'm Dr. Brad Cohen, an orthopedic surgeon with Aventura Orthopedics and Sports Medicine here in Aventura, Florida. Let's talk a little bit about what partial knee replacement surgery is. In a total knee arthroplasty, all three of the compartments of the knee are replaced, including the medial, lateral, and patella femoral compartments. In a partial knee replacement surgery, one of these compartments is replaced. The advantage of this type of surgery is that it doesn't disrupt normal physiologic structures as much, may result in an improved outcome with shorter hospital stays, less postoperative pain, and a sooner return to activity. The downside is that surgery may be more complicated if the surgery needs to be converted into a total knee arthroplasty in the future. Very few people actually meet specific requirements for this type of surgery, typically 6 to 8 people out of 100. So it is very important to talk to your surgeon prior to consideration of this type of surgery to see if you are a candidate.